even more practice. Select all the following that apply. All right, so the opposite of 0 is 0. Yep, there is no opposite, so the opposite is just 0, no opposite. The opposite of negative 10 is 10. Yes, it is. The opposite of negative 78 is, oh, it's going to be positive 78, so that's wrong. The opposite of negative 2 is 2. Yes, it is. Woohoo! All right, let's take a look at this last one. The opposite of negative 1 is 1. Yes, it is. The opposite of negative 4 is positive 4. Oh, this is saying negative 4, so that's wrong. The opposite of 8 is negative 8. Yes, it is. And the opposite of negative 1 is 2. Why is there a 2 there? Like, no, the opposite of negative 1 is 1. Ooh, I meant to X that. So that's not true. All right, and then that's going to be it. Great job.